Let's dive into this explainer on the most extreme, tractor-crashing magnetic forces in our entire solar system.
How on earth does a tiny, mysterious spark on the sun end up blinding farming equipment down here?
And what made a sudden drop in our magnetic field the most powerful storm we've endured since 1989?
Well, this beautiful, destructive chaos actually begins with a massive, mind-bending mystery right on the sun's surface. The puzzle starts right here. The sun's physical surface sits at a relatively cool 5,500 degrees Celsius. But as you move into its outer atmosphere, the corona, it inexplicably boils at 1,000,000 degrees.
Recently, the European Space Agency found a major clue: tiny little solar flares they nicknamed campfires. These low-altitude loops of energy are constantly sparking, which potentially heats up that entire outer atmosphere. And they're driven by a violently microscopic process. Physicists call this magnetic reconnection. Basically, invisible magnetic lines crash together, break, and explosively snap into new configurations, releasing massive heat. Now, scale that up. Colossal magnetic filaments erupt, leaving unimaginably huge scars right across the sun. One recent eruption literally carved a canyon of hot plasma long enough to stretch to the moon.
With 12,000-mile-high walls, these eruptions launch massive clouds of radiation, coronal mass ejections, straight into space.
So, fast forward to May 2024. Let's see how this physics sparked the historic, earth-shaking Gannon storm. In just days, the sun unleashed a relentless barrage of colossal X-class flares, peaking at X8.7. Those flares hurled violent plasma clouds right at us, triggering a super rare G5 extreme geomagnetic storm. The immediate result? Breathtaking global auroras spotted way down south in Florida, Puerto Rico, and Hawaii.
But while those painted skies were gorgeous, the magnetic impact on our tech was violently disruptive. Farmers lost critical tractor GPS during peak planting season, and deep-sea observatories suffered massive magnetic interference.
Up in orbit, Starlink satellites faced intense drag, and down below, citizens literally lost expensive drones mid-flight. Crazy, right? All this tech chaos is powered by a magnetic engine churning 16 Earths deep inside our sun. And we actually dodged a bullet. Some massive ejections during this period luckily fired away from Earth. But as solar cycle 25 ramps up, our star is relentlessly building and snapping those massive magnetic fields. From microscopic campfires to earth-shaking geomagnetic events, the sun is just incredibly active right now. Leaving us with one chilling thought: when the next extreme superstorm strikes, will our connected world survive?